Seen as a stalwart of politics in Jammu and Kashmir, the state's Chief Minister Mufti Mohammad Saeed breathed his last at the national capital's AIIMS on Thursday. He had been admitted at the hospital for the last 2 weeks. He had spent the last 3 days on ventilator. Thursday morning at 8, when the J&K Chief Minister's passing away became known, a pall of gloom descended not only over Delhi, it spread to his far-flung village in South Kashmir. Saeed's mortal remains reached his official residence in Srinagar in the evening, accompanied by Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Minister of State in Prime Minister's office Jitendra Singh. Crowds already waiting in large numbers there to get a final glimpse of their beloved leader. Saeed's remains were then moved to his ancestral village in Anantnag district's Bijbehara town, where his burial was performed among loved ones and supporters with moist eyes. Top leaders across political parties were saddened by the J&K CM's passing away. Prime Minister Narendra Modi bid Saeed a final goodbye at the Palam airport in Delhi. He also expressed his heartfelt grief at the passing away of the leader on Twitter, saying he provided a healing touch to J&K through his leadership. President Pranab Mukherjee wrote a letter to the leader's daughter, Mehbooba Mufti, conveying his condolences, and tweeted that throughout his life, Saeed worked for the socio-political transformation of Jammu and Kashmir. Vice President Hamid Ansari also mourned the J&K CM's passing away and said that he was a consensus builder and always placed the nation's interest above every other consideration. The day was marked by a spate of reactions from leaders of all political hues paying rich tributes to Saeed.
I think the first thought that comes to my mind is that Mufti Sahab was one of the last surviving veterans from the first generation of post-independence politicians and statesmen. So naturally it's a big loss. Having said that, I think the biggest attribute of his personality was that he had the capacity to rise above the party lines, and regardless of the differences of ideologies, the differences of party affiliations, he could assume a vision and could also carry people along.
बहुत ही शॉकिंग है और पूरे स्टेट के लिए और पूरे देश को इससे बहुत नुकसान हुआ। वो हार्डकोर नेशनलिस्ट थे और हमेशा मुल्क के बारे में सोचते थे और जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के बारे में सोचते थे।
अभी हमारे लिए न सिर्फ हमारी पार्टी के लिए या उनके घर के लिए बल्कि सारे देश के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा नुकसान है। अब हमारी कोशिश होगी कि जो उनका दिखाया हुआ रास्ता उस पर चले और रियासत जम्मू कश्मीर में अमन का माहौल कायम करें।
Congress President Sonia Gandhi visited AIIMS to convey her condolences to Mufti's family and said that in his death, his state and the nation has lost a great leader. Political rival and former J&K CM Omar Abdullah also expressed shock at Saeed's demise on Twitter and said he is deeply saddened at his departure. Clearly, whenever Jammu and Kashmir's political journey is recalled, Mufti's leadership will always be an indelible part. He not only worked untiringly for the state's development throughout his political career, but also made far-reaching efforts in its transition from violence to peace. Newsnight Desk, DD News.